What is a pre-poo? How long do you leave your pre-poo in? Can you pre-poo overnight? Do you wet your hair when you pre-poo? What are the benefits of pre-pooing? What oils are good for a pre-poo? How often do you need to pre-poo? These are some questions that will be answered in this video. Stay tuned till the end and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. What is a pre-poo? A pre-shampoo treatment consists of an oil, DIY blend, or water-based conditioner that is applied to the hair before washing it. This extra step provides protection against the harsh stripping of the hair and lowers the risk of dryness once the shampoo has been rinsed away. What should you use for a pre-poo? Your preferences, hair type, and hair needs will dictate what ingredients or products you pre-poo with. Some people rotate between oils and conditioners. Some good moisturizing oils that are known to penetrate the hair shaft are coconut oil, avocado oil, babasu oil, and olive oil. Ucuba butter is also very moisturizing. Not every oil is ideal for an effective pre-poo. Heavy oils such as castor oil and almond oil are too thick to penetrate the hair shaft and can make cleansing harder. It's better to use these oils as sealants. Popular pre-poos include honey, DIY homemade blends, store-bought treatments and masks, yogurt, and bananas. Pre-poos help with softening and easy detangling. During pre-poo treatments, the hair softens and becomes coated, which allows for the strands to glide past each other a lot easier, resulting in easier detangling sessions, which makes the hair smoother. Soft, detangled hair is easier to manage during washing and conditioning. Breakage occurs much more often with wet hair than dry. Detangling your hair before washing it helps you avoid losing excess hair during the process. Doing a pre-poo strengthens and moisturizes the hair. Pre-poo treatments improve strength by fortifying the hair with vitamins and nutrients and improving elasticity, resulting in softer, shinier, and stronger hair. A pre-poo treatment protects your hair from the dryness shampoo can bring. Shampoos and other products can often strip a fair amount of our natural hair oil, but pre-poo treatments help restore them and protect hair follicles. How to pre-poo? Section your hair and apply your favorite pre-poo. Apply the pre-poo on dry hair. A pre-poo is meant to protect our hair from the cleansing effects of a regular shampoo. If your hair has water, it will take less oil in, which will offer less protection to your hair, so it's best to apply it on dry hair. Do a scalp massage. Add some heat. Applying heat to your pre-poo treatment will give you optimal results and helps the layers of the hair to open and let the oils in more quicker and more effectively. You can add heat to your pre-poo with a thermal cap, hooded dryer, or plastic cap. How long do you leave pre-poo in? Cover hair with plastic cap and let the pre-poo sit on the hair anywhere from 20 minutes to overnight, depending on the hair's needs. Oil pre-poo treatments done overnight allows enough time for the treatment to fully penetrate the hair, since some penetrating oils take longer than others to travel into the cortex of the hair. The cortex of the hair shaft is located between the hair cuticle and medulla and is the thickest hair layer. Proceed with your usual wash routine and use a good clarifying shampoo to remove the oil well to avoid product buildup on your hair. How often do you need to pre-poo? Bi-weekly treatments are recommended. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll gladly answer it. And also feel free to comment about your pre-poo experience. Do you incorporate a pre-poo into your wash day regimen? What are the benefits you've experienced with pre-pooing your hair? Do you have any extra tips? What is your favorite product to use for a pre-poo? Leave your answers in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. Have a wonderful day.